Hey people, welcome back to another new mini vlog. And I'm done with my college and just thinking about my life. How's it going? What am I doing? Where am I? Or is it going to happen? And what I observed is no one is stopping. They're just rushing to reach their destination except me. Soon after, it started raining, and the rain made my mood better, and like it just changed my mood within a second. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with rain. As you can see, there are a group of people who are playing cricket, and as you know, I love cricket, so I wanted to be involved with them, but I can't. So I'll be enjoying by watching at them. I'm worried of my white sneakers, and it is hard to maintain white sneakers like that. I'm trying my level best to maintain. And comment down some dates. I'll do it in my next shot. See you around.